Today we are going to install the Fortinet FortiGate 50G series into the RM-FR-T21 from Rackmount.IT. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 2 M3 bolts, 6 Cat6 cables, 1 USB cable, 2 Velcro straps, 3 zip ties, and 1 RJ45 keystone. Place the appliance on the rack and secure it using the 2 bolts from the bottom of the rack. When using an alternative power supply with a power brick, secure it to the rack with the provided zip ties and tighten firmly. Connect the cable to your appliance. Secure the excess length of the power cable with 1 zip tie. When not using an alternative power supply, you can secure any excess cable in this location. Using the provided cables, connect the appliance to the keystones. Tie the cables together using the Velcro straps. Optionally, you can replace the SFP keystone with a RJ45 keystone if using DSL. Use the DSL cable provided by Fortinet to connect the appliance to the keystone. To connect antenna cables to the front of the rack, remove the pre-scored sections in the designated locations using a screwdriver and hammer. Cables are not included. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Fortinet rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.